Today we're going to cover the NYSE breadth thrust, the digital signal. 0 means it's off, 1 means it's on. So these vertical lines are when we've had a breadth thrust. It was developed by Marty Zweig, and it's calculated by dividing a 10-day exponential moving average of the number of advancing issues by the number of advancing plus declining issues. And the thrust occurs when, during a 10-day period, the indicator rises from below 40% to above 61.5%. And it's only happened a handful of times, not a handful, but about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Looks like about, below 20 times since World War II. So we're going to take a look at this. We have it charted against even though it's an NYSE breadth thrust, we have it charted against the Dow because that's where we have the longer data. You'll get the picture. I mean, we're drawing with a crayon, not a scalpel here. But what's interesting is not only does it work basically every single time as we'll go through, but the rise tends to be in years, not in months. So according to Marty, the average gain following the thrust was 24.6% since 1945 in a time frame of 11 months following the thrust. So take a look here. We got this in December, and we're still moving from that. We got this in 2015-16 correction, and we got a few years. Here we got about 2 years. Here we got about 2 years. Here we got about 3 years. Here we got about 3 years. Here we got 15 plus years. Here we got about 4 years. Here we got about 2 years. Here was the shortest one. We only got about 1 year here, but that was actually a meaningful move. Early 60s, we got many years here, about 4. And in the early 50s, we had 2 that lasted about 10, 12 years. So this is a valuable long-term indicator, and hope that helps.